Unarco in Wagoner produces around 1 million shopping carts every year and supplies them to retailers all over North America and Puerto Rico.
They estimate their market share is close to 50%. Unarco tells us this News on 6 tour is the first time they know of a television crew has been inside the Wagoner facility. We took a trip down to Wagoner to visit the company that makes almost half of all shopping carts in North America.
Misty Murray with Unarco Industries gave us a rare inside look at how they do it. We can't show you every step because the company wants to keep some of their factory secret. But you're probably starting to recognize what this is becoming.
This is a term we call basket bottoms, and then it's going to go through another process where we're going to attach support wires. Then your basket is whole. Attaching, different things, clamping them together, and then it's welded together.
Just like Legos.
Just like Legos.
There are 115 year-round employees, double that leading up to Black Friday. They all take pride in what they do because it's not hard to imagine what happens if something goes wrong with one of their carts.
You think about a catastrophic failure in the field could be, a child in a cart.
And when you talk about taking pride in what you do, look no further than the longest-serving employee at the plant, John Anderson.
Take us back 42 years. You're looking for a job. How did you come to be here?
I went in the personnel office, filled out an application. I was hired the next day.
What does it mean to you to get to work here, I guess?
Fulfilling and busy all the time.
Eventually, the carts begin crisscrossing the massive facility on tracks equipped with hooks. They have to go to the paint room next.
What's your wildest color that someone has requested that you guys have done?
Lime green. Kind of crazy.
After it gets painted, what happens and why?
It gets sealed and cured so that it prevents rust in the field at retailers. Obviously we want to give them a good quality product.
Finally, this crew is in charge of final assembly. That means seat belts, plastic bumpers, and what's going on here?
So they're making sure that all the wheels are touching the surface, so that way they roll well once they get into the retailer.
Robots do help Unarco crank out about 1 million carts a year in Wagoner, but every one gets a final check by a person to make sure shoppers around the world have a smooth ride at the store.